It's time to move on and also on what's brewing. Business AI company Uniphore has acquired Orby AI and Autonom8, two AI native companies that the company claims will enhance the capabilities of Uniphore's business AI cloud. Now, both teams bring top AI research and engineering talent from DeepMind and Google, with enterprises betting their business models on AI-enabled transformation. Umesh Sachdev, the co-founder and CEO of Uniphore, joins me now to decode what these acquisitions mean, how AI is moving beyond chat to reasoning and action, and where India fits into this global race. Umesh, welcome on Startup Street. Uniphore has just announced the acquisition of Orby AI and Autonom8. What was the strategic thinking behind these deals? If you could elaborate on how they strengthen your business AI cloud, and how soon do you see these innovations making a measurable impact for your enterprise customers?
Shruti, always great to come on your show and talk to you. We are seeing almost an exponential rise of demand from businesses, especially in US, Europe, and also emerging in Asia, for use cases around agentic AI. Our customers, about 2,000 customers that Uniphore has, several of which are Fortune 500 companies, are looking to Uniphore to drive business outcomes through our business AI cloud platform. And these customers, whether they are a big four consulting firm, a large insurance company, or a high-tech company like Hewlett Packard, they're all looking to Uniphore to deliver this innovation at a very high pace. This technology is moving fast. Every week there are new things happening.
Okay.
And our customers now look to us to bring this innovation at a very high pace. And in that context, Orby AI, a company headquartered in Palo Alto, and Autonom8, which has most of its team of researchers and engineers working out of Chennai in India, add a shot in the arm to our innovation engine that we can now take back to our customers and deliver even more powerful agentic AI solutions.
Okay. All right. Umesh, like I mentioned earlier, both companies bring top talent from DeepMind and Google. How critical is this AI talent race today, and what edge does this give Uniphore in the global enterprise AI market?
Shruti, what most people who are outside the AI industry don't realize is the intersection of people who understand the deep science of AI, but also how to now apply that deep science of AI to solve real practical business problems. That intersection of talent is very, very tiny in the whole world. And there is obviously a big demand for this talent pool. Now, this talent pool is being split into two directions. On the one side, there are companies like xAI, OpenAI, which are investing a lot of time and money on developing super intelligence. And some of the AI talent that we know of is getting very excited with that mission, and they're joining those companies.
All right, yes, go ahead.
I was just saying the second type of AI talent in the industry is getting very excited with fit for purpose AI companies like Uniphore, which are all about business outcomes, business challenges. And in Orby and Autonom8, we had two teams which were also trying to apply their research toward these business use cases. And now they're part of Uniphore. They get a much larger platform to play with.
All right. Umesh, you've also spoken about moving beyond chat and predictions to AI agents that can actually reason and act. Can you break down for us how large action models and neuro symbolic reasoning change the game for enterprises today?
Let me bring this to life through an example. We work with one of the largest insurance companies in the world. And they have not only taken processes like customer support and marketing and agentified them, but now things that are very core to an insurance company, like underwriting or claims, are also being impacted by agents. Now, if you put yourself in their shoes, this is a very regulated industry. And what these customers want is agents obviously bring a lot of value, automation, but they want predictability. They want this agent to do the same thing over and over, not hallucinate, not come up with a new idea when they're underwriting an insurance policy or a claim.
Sure.
To control these agents, to get these agents to be more predictable, is where large action model, a model that the Orby AI team has trained, which now becomes part of the Uniphore platform.
Yes.
And this new area, which most people will tell you is a research area called neuro symbolic agents, we now already have put it in production with some of our key Fortune 500 customers. And so that puts Uniphore at the forefront of the business AI race.
All right, one final question, Umesh, before I let you go. You've built Uniphore out of India and the Silicon Valley. How do you see India's role evolving in the AI value chain? And with global enterprises looking at sovereign and secure AI stacks, do you see India emerging as a proving ground for enterprise-scale AI deployment?
Well, Shruti, we've always said, even at a government level, that India is going to provide the talent that the world needs for AI. But at Uniphore, we are just making that real. With the acquisition of Autonom8, which was this company and team working out of Chennai, out of the IIT Madras Research Center, at which Uniphore also had our offices. We got in touch with that team. We realized that some of the work this team was doing in Agentic AI was as good as any team in the whole world. And
Sure.
one of the two acquisitions now brings us about 60 engineers from Chennai. And that's a testament to the important role India will continue to play globally in scaling business AI.
All right, with that, it's time for me to wrap up our conversation. Umesh, many thanks for your time on Startup Street and wish you the very best going forward.
Thank you, Shruti.